Hello and welcome to usual online program where they motivate young people in Sierra Leone. We look at issues where they affect young people all over the country and how to solve those problems through Creative Media Network. And me we present to this program, Mina Mohamed Lamin Fula. Today we look at unemployment in the country and how we able to reduce unemployment to let young people and try for be an entrepreneur. If you get a business idea, try for start something on your own and develop yourself. At the end of the day, you not go depend on nobody for like you job. You go rather be a job creator. You not go be a job seeker. And with motivational video today, I bring in a young Sierra Leonean brother when self don't struggle through life. When I work, we don't serve as a student, life not be easy for them. But because of the persevere, today instead they live an average life like young person. So I also bring them into this program today where they can discuss about unemployment and how all young people them also they try for create job for themselves and contribute positively to their country and to their family as well. Today, I deal with Brother Mahmoud Conte, who they can discuss on issues which affect young people. We look at unemployment, waiting unemployment, and how young people they able to create job for themselves. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
So first of all, we look at waiting unemployment. I get to understand say unemployment. People can only be categorized as not somebody who get this required skill or the qualification for get a job. Perhaps you learn trade or you learn a particular skill or you go through education, then you qualify for get job before them count you as unemployed. So as a young person as alone, first of all, who they sit down out there on the street, say government not provide job for you, people will not provide job for you. Ask yourself, if you're not an unemployed youth, if you not fall among them category there, you not learn work, you not go through formal or informal skill, you are not unemployed. So let's forget and twisted, go out there, go start for learn something, go school back or go learn job for make you contribute to the development of this country.
Life will be meaningful when challenges there, you will overcome those challenges and achieve your goal. You understand? So now that this thing anyway. So normally when I can talk to my company, you see never I can tell and say, look, these challenges, I mean, are practical example of those challenges. People in the way, watch people that we don't go through in life. Let them table and challenge. So don't use this as a barrier for like only constant evolution way day. Challenges. I'm not gonna possible to do for me this and that. Then they get for always day. Besides, we all know we come out of the same family background, we all know we come out of the same, you understand? Yeah. Same, we all get the same opportunities. But if you able to say challenges in constant, I get for face and no matter what you are achieve, I get for face challenges, get for get down the first. We don't establish that it's challenges in anything you want to do. Then any challenge we come, they don't say this now a first challenge. What's my next move? How to overcome this challenge?
Now we don't know that unemployment is a challenge in the country, and we also don't understand say unemployment you will not learn nothing, you not go school, you not get no skill, then in the country pass. The one young people in Asalo will not employ at all. So you don't need for blame government, not blame NGO, not blame anybody, blame yourself. Because at the end of the day, me and Mahmoud sitting here, we don't facing so many challenges in life. And don't mean say all is well with we, but because we continuously push every day. Now self we facing challenges, but because of we endure, we push, at least it better than before. So you as a young person, the first thing you need for do, try for learn skill. Learn something, promote yourself. Nobody not going to let you reach the way you will let yourself. If you let yourself, you hold seriousness, people will come into intervention and support you. First of all, we will try to establish the fact whether an entrepreneur, whether they consider for being an entrepreneur.
Well, like I said, you say, in unemployment and this entrepreneurship, now times away, you know, we will separate in this world where we right now, this new phenomenon. The reason why, no matter the nature where you find yourself, you like I said, the government can go able to provide job for everybody. You understand? The government not going to solve everybody in problem. Even the advanced countries, developed countries themselves, the government they solve everybody in problem. They're not able to solve everybody in problem. There comes entrepreneurship. You understand? Now, for me, entrepreneur and a person way they solve a problem. If you watch the people that we would consider the best entrepreneurs as of now, from history to now, and people that we don't identify a problem and solve a problem, an entrepreneur. For let you be an entrepreneur, you get for know say first. You get for identify a problem, then you solve the problem. If you watch all people that we the greatest entrepreneurs in this world now, people that we past, present, people that we identify a problem and solve those problems. You understand? Those are people who we first as entrepreneur. You get for identify a problem and solve them. How? The most important thing for let you be an entrepreneur is the idea. There are people that can say capital money we use for start business capital. Yes, now a very important instrument for people to start a business. Make no mistake about it.
But when they look at and basically say, even if they give all the capital, then give so many $1,000. If you don't get the idea, you need to start up a business. Let's say, for example, we they look at creative media network. Basically, we identify say there are so many issues where they affect young people in this country, but young people do not get the platform. So creative media thought and fit say, in as much as there is no platform, make us start up this program in partnership with me, creative media, the power of this particular program. Now we look at young people and say these are the things where they affect them. Now we provide those solutions through with videos.
Fine. This is what
so these are one example of the local entrepreneur. Where at the end of the day,
creative media identify say there is a problem. You understand? You don't identify a problem. If you don't identify the problem, then what are the ways and means how to solve this problem?
Exactly.
When you identify the problem, then you create that ways and means how to solve the problem. You get now the other benefits.
So automatically, they don't be an entrepreneur. They don't create job for themselves and other people. So hope and pray that we get people who they can support the project. At the end of the day, become big. Then creative media will employ so many other people.
Yeah.
So that's one big example to the country. We look forward to so many other young people. You need to start up somewhere. There are times you might not get the capital. But first of all, what's more important to me is that you need to get the idea. If you don't get the idea, most of the time, even those people they write code, the idea starts with just find a blank paper, they start for write. And it's waiting kind of you might just write. After some time, you go over with you don't write, you try to develop an idea. Because most of the times we can get brilliant idea, we can talk them. But with time we forget because we need put time to practice.
We face with that inferiority complex. People in the way they get potential and get idea. But dynamically they tell you in anything they do, you get forget first, you get for believe in yourself first. You understand? Because when you believe in yourself, it believe what they come out of you. Then when it comes to the startup, you get from no say you have to start somewhere. Anybody get for start some side. But it don't necessarily mean say now all say you go start big. If you watch most of the most successful business people there, or the most successful young people there,
and start small and then become big.
So you guys of say you start, just start with the belief see. Now yeah, at the start and now yeah, at the use as my first step to make growth. It can happen, not to magic. Even when you decide, like now, let's say you choose an education, say me want to become an educated person with lots of qualification, lots of degrees, you understand? If not that you decide for do as a young person, not concentrate on the challenges. You understand? Not concentrate on the challenges. Say these challenges they will stop me for now not go. If you concentrate on them, you don't condition yourself. You don't put barrier. You don't set cage for yourself. You don't set cage for yourself. You understand? Let circumstances or people not drive you for live out of your means. When you will live within your means, it means you're able to live within what you earn. Then what I know about savings, you for save before you spend. I don't know if you understand what I mean. If you save before you spend, growth, not sacrifice. For let me say after 2-3 years, you say, yeah, thank God, I'm to this level and I don't come to this level. Na sacrifice. If you're able, after you don't save, then you can spend. When you want to become financially disciplined, if you save, you spend. Learn to live within your means. Because now, like you say, they see people in one old business for the profits after everything at 20 to 30,000. Then they see he spend pass for the day, spend away extravagantly. They spend pass what they hand.
See, but I enjoy, but I don't know. So sometimes you get long life, you don't eat all your money, then you begin for suffer. Interestingly, and today we basically look in this video at unemployment, waiting unemployment, and entrepreneurship skill. How you will start a business as a young person. Start, forget idea, then you put the idea into practice. You want to live like young boy, yes, but hustle first very, very hard. When you don't hustle, you make boku money. Then you go know how to spend your money. Today I deal with Mahmoud Content at the studio, and we discuss on unemployment and entrepreneurship skill. That's so we end this program till we meet you back next week. This program they come to every Friday, powered by Creative Media Network. And me when they present to this program, me na Mohamed Lamin Fuller. As usual, don't forget for like, comment, and share through Creative Media Network SL. We look forward to for Leona also contributing to this program. Where you comment, you share, you like the video, and any way if you say we will support this program, so we will inspire more young people out there. Till I meet you back next week Friday. Thank you very much.